Hey all, today we are on Windows 11 and we're going to be looking at how to uninstall applications. Let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do is come down to the Start menu. We are going to go to Settings. Once into Settings, we can come over to Apps in the left column here. Once into Apps, you can go to Installed Apps, and this menu will load up any apps that are currently installed on your computer. Not all of them can be installed. Some of the Microsoft ones have to stay on your computer. But if you do come across an app you don't want, then you can go ahead and uninstall it. So for me, I do not want Microsoft Teams on here. I can come over to the three dots, select uninstall, uninstall, and then it'll run through an uninstaller. Some apps do pop up with a prompt that you will have to select some additional settings. But other than that, that is the general way you can go through and uninstall applications. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.